Hey guys, welcome back. So here's the new one we picked up. Come take a look. This is a 1977 Corvette Stingray. So the task on this one, this client car, is going to be to get it running, go through the brakes, and see about putting a carpet kit and T-top seals in it, if everything goes to plan. Picking this thing up was okay, I guess. Ended up that this rear wheel here locked right up on it. Wasn't told about that. Wasn't really told about the console being apart either. Rest of the car is pretty decent, of course. Not really sure on the mileage, but you know, I think for the most part Corvettes are usually cared for, so this thing has been cared for. Clear coat on this quarter panel. It's got a little bit there, but the rest of it, you know, I'm thinking it's going to clean up pretty nice. So yeah. Now, if anybody knows much about these, I do know from looking at this that it's got quite the strange rear axle in it. So not 100% on the rear axles and how the brakes work on these things, but we're gonna learn. So cool. Just thought I'd show one here of it on the trailer showing up at the shop, and yeah, cool. Let me know what you think and what kind of surprises I might be in for with the brakes on this thing, on the back at least. Like I said, it locked up pretty good on these, so right on. Have a good day. Oh, and the other thing I didn't mention was that the hood latch does not work. So that's why I didn't open up the hood to show you the motor. It is a 350 and an automatic in this thing. So